Hey, food lovers, ready to spice up your life? Today, I'm sharing 3 mouth-watering spicy recipes you absolutely must try. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk spicy garlic shrimp. This dish is a flavor bomb. Start by marinating shrimp in a mix of minced garlic, red chili flakes, and olive oil. Saute it all till the shrimp turn pink and juicy. Serve hot and watch your taste buds do the happy dance. Next on the list, spicy Korean beef tacos. Think tender beef, marinated in gochujang, soy sauce, and a touch of honey. Grill it to perfection and serve in warm tortillas. Top with kimchi and a squeeze of lime. Trust me, it's a flavor explosion. Lastly, my all-time favorite, Szechuan Spicy Noodles. Cook up your favorite noodles and toss them in a fiery sauce made of Szechuan peppercorns, soy sauce, and a hint of sesame oil. Add some stir-fried veggies and sprinkle with chopped peanuts. It's spicy, it's savory, it's simply irresistible. So there you have it, 3 spicy recipes that will take your culinary game to the next level. Give them a try and spice up your kitchen today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking! Thanks for joining me. See you next time.